Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's January 7th, 2010, Friday morning here, the close of the first week of 2011. We did have the unemployment numbers come out this morning, show that we've got unemployment for the month of December running at 9.4%. That's a decrease in unemployment, which is the biggest change since 1998. So a good number there. Some of the other numbers that came out with it, trade is not too excited about. And all in all, after yesterday's ADP number, came in line with expectations. So caused a little volatility in the financial markets early, but as we speak, the dollar is back 21 higher. Crude oil is about steady on the day, and gold is down about $10. The agricultural markets still being affected by the three major things. The USDA report next week on January 12th. It's Wednesday morning at 7:30. We'll have the numbers from that. We've also got weather. Weather situations around the world have shown some improvement. The Argentina models that came out here this morning on the morning runs are changing that outlook considerably. From now through the 14th, looks like we could be a little bit drier, but we did have some rain here in a lot of areas. Temperatures are not quite as hot. And then from the 15th through the 22nd, these models have put a lot of moisture in that could solve the dryness problems in most areas of Argentina. So, but remember that those weather forecasts seem to be changing every 6 hours or so. So stay tuned when it comes to the weather forecast in South America. We've also got some snow forecast for the hard red winter wheat areas in the southern plains here before the cold weather gets colder, and that could save that crop. So we're monitoring that very closely. But the thing that's facing us right now is the rebalancing. We've seen a lot of selling right on the close yesterday. 7,500 estimated March corn contracts were sold right on the close. Some people think it could be the beginning of the rebalancing. Others say, well, that's somebody trying to front run the rebalancing process that was expected to start here today and go for about 4 to 5 days. Estimates somewhere between 7,000 and 8,000 contracts a day of corn need to be sold by the funds, and around 4,000 contracts of wheat. So that it's a significant amount when you have light volume. If you have real heavy volume, it's not that big of a deal. But on the other hand, with some of the fundamentals that have changed here in the big picture, with a little better weather conditions throughout the world, and profit taking ahead of the USDA report, I think is causing us a little bit of weight on this on the markets here, and some profit taking. The other thing that we've got to monitor is on the technical front. We've got the some of the markets, like corn, for instance, with an outside weekly reversal down, made new contract highs, closing lower than the previous week. That's going to be looked at as negative here, and could give us a reason to have some more sales made and some more pressure on the close, being a Friday here today. So those are things that is going to be monitored very closely, and stay tuned to with Allendale's research, and we'll keep you informed with that. And just give us a call. We have no problem at 800-262-7538. In the livestock trade, we've been watching the unemployment numbers to give us an indication of the cattle outlook down the road. We had good numbers here today, but already people are talking about, well, it's the holiday hiring helped support that the better unemployment number. So therefore, January we could see an increase again, and I think that's given us a little bit of pressure in the cattle here. In the electronic trade, we're down anywhere from 30 to 50 right now. Cutout values were down 51 in the choice, up 14 in the select. Cash cattle are tight, colder weather coming in. We could see some tighter supplies here that could provide some support. And our attitude is still we're friendly. This meat markets in 2011 looking for an opportunity to get long. So on setbacks here, give us a call and we'll give you the full details. On the pork, we had cutout values up 19 cents. We had a huge run yesterday in the pork complex to the upside. Some of that off of news that Obama has kind of changed his attitude toward Mexican trucks running on U.S. highways and allowing them to move product here in the U.S. That provided some support since they imposed the decline of Mexican or trucks in U.S. On U.S. roads. The Mexican government imposed a 5% tariff on pork. The hopes now is that we're relaxing the situation with the trucking industry, that they will in turn drop the tariff, which will increase pork production or pork demand by Mexico, as they are already the #2 user of U.S. pork. So look for some correction there as well. Right now the electronic market there is down 50 to 60 cents on profit taking as much as anything. So we're monitoring that very closely, but think that long term we should see some support develop here in the pork complex as well. If you got any questions, give us a call. We want to continue to remind you that the Allendale conference is coming up here soon. We can have you sign up on the web or give us a call, and we'll get you signed up and save you a seat. So if you got any other questions, don't hesitate to call us, and we wish you a very successful trading day, safe weekend, and we'll talk to you on Monday morning.